Alright, guys, I'm gonna make a video.
Why
And we're gonna play a game.
on
That's
this?
why we're gonna play. And guys,
Yeah, why
Roblox is not working.
confirm
That's why
on
we have
this?
to play a different game.
Why is confirm on this?
What?
Why is confirm on this?
Let's just try. Okay, confirm.
Yeah, look.
What's confirm?
I don't know. Like
Wait.
you try to find my Roblox,
Wait, guys.
and I don't even see it.
Wait, let's just play some app games and we're gonna rate them. Wait, come in the camera. Wait, come in the camera, please. Wait, just come. Wait, come in the camera.
I just wanna watch.
Okay. You're on the scene. Okay, guys, we're gonna not play with Pay because Pay doesn't want to
You wanna play this game?
play.
You wanna play?
Okay, guess what? We're gonna spill.
Yeah, you don't want to play this game?
Oh, those.
Just dino.
They want to play something.
Like this game is really easy to play because look at this, guys.
No, it's not.
It's a little easy, Mia.
No.
It's a little easy. It's okay, Mia.
Fine.
Why it's dino game. Dino's right here.
This dino game is why we're gonna play it.
It's not Weebox. It's Roblox.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get the highest score I can get, guys. That's right. Hit the subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's play Dino.
I'm gonna install.
Dino. Space.
Oh! Hey yo!
Oh no.
Bro, what
Who's
happened?
that?
Fool.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what happened, but
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Oh, please doing it too.
I'm doing 3 and No,
You lost, Petty?
Yeah, you have to do 2 that is big. Because
Okay. Whoa. My score is 200.
mine is
Soon we're gonna go.
my high score is 231.
Are you serious?
My high score. No, my high score was like 180 and 100. It's like 180.
Only did 253. The fun part that we could do was computers. You can punch in the screen and it goes down. That's the fun part of the idea.
And I got 130.
Oh, they got 100.
130.
Yeah, they got 103. Pay's score was 181, and my score on my other computer
No, not
was
42.
483.
Yeah.
What?
Guess what will happen when it's nighttime?
What?
There's gonna be birds, and you have to go down.
You already know that
You
stage.
literally have to do that.
If you guys know that stage, oh, I went past my
You
score
guys have to play
already.
this on your computer. It's a little fun.
It's
and
really
hard.
fun.
Yeah,
You
it's a
play
little
on your
fun.
phone. Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, it's getting harder
Did
and
install
harder.
it? Yeah, it did.
It's
Install
getting
it.
harder.
Bro,
It's getting harder,
150.
bro.
450. I went almost over my score. 500 would be amazing.
Oh my gosh, I got my high score is 133.
100. 333?
Yeah. I see some clouds. getting harder. No! Game over. But I have to start over again.
I'm focusing.
You see my high score right there? You see my high score right
Yeah, I
there?
already know.
That's my high score.
No!
No! You got 150!
How are you even going over my score? Making my game. One more time and we're going to move on to the next game.
Yeah.
Move out the camera.
Bro, yellow go.
But let's go. Let's go to the next one. Don't worry about that.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry about any of that.
One more try. Oh, okay.
The computer messed up what I was trying to do. Now let's go to the Play Store. Let's go.
I don't think I have a Play Store.
Yes, you do. Look.
Where is it?
Right there. That's the one. Google Play. Let me go on Google Play. Bozo.
It's right there.
It won't let me. I was pressing on it.
Labor Day. This is Labor Day right there. Why is everybody saying Labor Day? Labor Day.
Okay, guys. Labor Day is going to be.
And guys, these are the
almost
apps
here.
that I am
Wait.
looking at. And look at this. You can make music with these.
No, I don't want to play a game.
No, I don't want to play baby games.
But this is the one that was.
Yeah, look at these babies game.
Bro, no, we're not playing that game.
Baby
Chat GBT, no, I'm not getting that, bro. Let me get.
Baby game. Pikachu. Oh, that's Pikachu. And yes, like a Pikachu. Pikachu.
Computer's making me rage.
Oh, this stupid computer is not leaving me. Hey, Hello Kitty, don't get in that video.
Why? Don't make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. Low. Oh, we're going to play something G. Let's spell G. Play games.
Roblox.
No, we're not playing Roblox.
Free game. It's not for free.
Girls? I'm just gonna look here.
Oh, see. Gloves.
Crossy World. Let's play. What? Same song, G?
No.
The same song? Bro. That's the phone that I use to play on making games. But I do on computer and the same song. Whatever. Hello Kitty friends. Hello Kitty friends.
Hey, you see a kitty? Free games. Keys, friends. Queenie's friends.
Oh yeah, we're playing! You guys don't know what it is. It's Crossy Road. World. Move out of the way! Gosh, move.
Move out the
Move!
way. You play Roblox. Yeah, what are you playing? Yeah, what are you playing?
A plane? What? Why is it not working?
Crossy Road.
Yeah, Crossy Road. Why won't it work? Can you move your feet? Can you move your head? At least for one time? Move! Move your head! I made her cry. At least that's better. You kicked me out.
Rating.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, let's just play Roblox.
One. Roblox?
Or more of this dino game. Hey guys! Stop. What are these? Stop, guys. Why did I delete that, bro? Okay, guys. Hey, yo, bro.
A boy.
Not Intego. Intego.
Yeah. There you go. I am like searching for.
Okay. Bye, guys. Guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.